The private astronaut crew of Polaris Dawn successfully landed on Earth after splashing down off the coast of Florida on Sunday. The crew was in space for 5 days, during which they created history by performing the first ever commercial spacewalk. The mission, led and funded by billionaire Jared Isaacman, aimed to conduct a plethora of experiments that can help in future space missions.
I can't tell you how many teams have been working nonstop for the last 2.5 years, building a new EVA suit to do a spacewalk, and the operations associated with it, and the vehicle changes, the Starlink lasers, a bunch of things we're gonna talk to you about in order to make this possible. All supporting that kind of bigger dreams that maybe not in the not too distant future, humans are gonna finally reach another planet other than our own.
The spacecraft traveled through portions of the Van Allen radiation belt, which will enable scientists to have a better understanding of the effects of spaceflight and space radiation on human health. The crew successfully tested the SpaceX-designed extravehicular activity spacesuits during their spacewalk. This testing of the suit will help design spacesuits for future long-duration missions.
I imagine, a lot of people someday in the future are going to be, maybe even families bouncing around on the lunar surface in their SpaceX EVA suits. Certainly possible.
The crew also tested Starlink laser-based communications in space, providing valuable data for space communication systems necessary for future missions. Scientific research to advance human health on Earth and better understand human health during future long-duration spaceflights was also conducted. The research included understanding human health in microgravity and the formation of kidney stones. Bureau Report, NewsX.